Easy yourself, man.
And you feel easy yourself and leg off and I'm sick and tired of you.
You're going on my phone and see girl. My girl and them are you.
You're going like you hide nothing. They take me for idiot and it's done. To the me I go. You can't stop me.
Never say
leg off on me.
Yo, nobody can go on like you can style me say, you know. That me I can tell you. And take time talking to mother place, you know. You know left until me tell yourself left. You hear me say? You know no style, you know my where you go? Where you go? Who I go feed you? You can't come feel like you can't come disrespect me. You going on my phone, me never send in on my phone, my youth. Biggie that girl, stop going like you know no sense.
Dwayne.
Yes, mommy?
How I go on here, so how Keisha go with suitcase?
No, Keisha say I go find granny go spend 2 days and come back for the weekend.
Keisha, I mean to God, say me and you there. And you left and you couldn't tell me say I go.
No man, me to me I come back Monday. By Monday me reach.
You couldn't tell mommy say I go? Eh? You couldn't tell mommy say I go? Mommy, she's good man. Yeah. So them a style like pan. Eh?
Where are the
Are them a style like pan? How this a?
Keisha and later.
Eh?
Where do me yarn?
What mean mommy a do me?
So where you do me yarn? Look how long left.
Oi,
Don't
what
put
mean?
it on
What
my
that supposed to mean?
Me tell you say me left. Where you do me yard? Leg off.
You no left until me say you left. You hear me tell you?
Leg off for me.
You hear me tell you? You no left until me say we left. That me a tell you.
Higher than you. Look how far me left. Look how far me left from the yard. And you still come find me.
So this you come up here for?
And this you come up here for come beat me in front of my family, my neighbor, them say me neighbor chat here.
No, say no.
Mr. G, good evening.
Keisha, I say good afternoon now. There's when time my son overshadow afternoon and when the sun gone down so evening. So you come and tell me good evening now in the afternoon. What happened to you? Make your face look so.
Mr. G, right now my head no good. You see my eye? Your wicked evil son come on me yard. Me not in a nut with him, me done with him, me cut him off and him won't leave me alone. Mr. G, please, me I beg you. Ask him to leave me alone because I think him is a saint. And you think him is Jesus Christ. But Mr. G, me I beg you, please talk to your son, him is evil.
We last time when you left you, and you and him left you say you go spend time with grandmother. Now you come back and come tell me say, he licking your eye. Come here, let me see your eye.
Keisha.
Hold on.
Mommy, I want.
Miss Gigi, me just come for warn you.
You're right, sir.
Me just come for warn you
Let
because
me
you
see which
said
part you say he licking your eye. Let me see which part he licking your eye. I really do you in your eye, sir.
Mommy,
Keisha, look at me. I do you in for your eye, sir.
I mean, so I really do my eyes so your son wicked.
Mommy, you really believe her? Eh?
Hey boy, I saw me grow you.
Mommy, nah. Keisha, easy yourself, man.
Do you know wicked?
Boy, I saw me grow you, boy.
If you touch me one more time, I call mock upon you and tell him everything what you had in the house there. But you think you're gonna say no, you know everything and you say your son evil. Do you let me go?
Oh, say me nah, me and nothing, me and
I saw
nothing.
me grow you.
Mommy, she stabbed me. Mommy, she stabbed me.
stab him. I couldn't take it no more. I just couldn't take it no more. I stab him in the back. I'm think I kill him, but I can't stay here. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know who forgot. I don't know who forgot to, but I can't stay in my yard.
Don't worry yourself, man. You're good, man. You can come back and build for 2 days. Eh?
Sure.
Yeah, man. You can come in. Man.
Dwayne, I want to you. Yeah, I'm not doing your job. You look so stressed out. How are you?
Mommy, Keisha, mommy.
Keisha. Want to Keisha?
Mommy, this is stabbing and now I'm going to say no, mommy. I don't even know. I got you in my mind to do Keisha, mommy. I tell you.
I find you a little bit of baby, so you know. Little bit of baby. Me a pray over you. And when me know say you have sense, me teach you how to pray. You couldn't lay down in my bed 6 o'clock in the morning time when you look a boy, you know? So how comes you know I say you a pray for do Keisha something?
Mommy, but me can't make me I don't know wimp for me and me can't make sure she stab me and get rid of me.
Oi. A man who fight and run away live for fight the next day. Especially I want woman. Me teach you for beat woman. No. And hey. Dwayne, leave all vengeance to God. You might not lucky like a Keisha, no? Keisha stab you and you live. You might have stabbed Keisha and she did. Exodus 20 say, thou shalt not kill. Me talk to you and me done. You see, if you do Keisha nothing and then lock you up, no send call me, you know? You can't say me never warn you. Me gone, you can't, no.
Mommy, nobody send up her blood pressure, mommy, man.
Me done with you. You can't say me never warn you, no?
Nobody send up her blood
Me
pressure.
gone, you're alright, me gone.
Nah, man. What you say? You see him respond? See her respond? Next door? Alright. No say nothing, man. No say nothing. Alright, look at more. No say nothing. Respect. Alright. Yes, mommy. Yes, man. Me not there far, man. Me reach at the post office already. I'm away now. I just choose some little hoodlums that on the road. I get trouble and police it out there and something. So it make me. May I come, man? May I come? Alright.
Chantel,
What want Keisha?
I need a big favor. I can't stay at Portland.
I want me to know.
I can't tell you over the phone, but I'm in some trouble with doing and in family them, and some bag of people are look for me. And I can't stay at Portland. I'm going to dedicate to stay at Portland. I need a job. Once more, you see, they can line up one job for me.
So what kind of work you want?
Not have to be office, nothing. Just line up something for me right away when we can start. And someone when we can leave. Because we can't stay if we stay as soon as day.
Lord God, Keisha. How will you get yourself in?
This not sound good. This not sound good at all. I'm gonna come and tell you everything. But just know we can't stay as well.
No worry yourself, man. Me have one brethren, we have one bar. He always they ask me if me know no bartender. Me go give him a number and make him call you.
Alright, send me all of the information. What you say name? Johnson. Alright. Alright, sis, thanks. Me I wait to know. Hey, man.
Hello, afternoon. I'm trying to reach Keisha. Is this?
Yes, this is she. Keisha Clark. Yeah.
Question. How old are you though? Because you know it's a bar, it's a bar work, so we have to ensure say you're above the. You have to be 18 or older.
I'm 24. Immediately, right away, as long as I can provide that I have somewhere to stay, I can start as soon as possible.
Alright, wonderful. And depending on where you're traveling from, you know, we have accommodation. It's a 2-bedroom apartment, and you have all your privacy and all of that. So you don't have to worry about accommodation, alright?
That is perfect, man. 2-bedroom? No, man, that is way too good to be true. You serious, sir? Alright. Thank you so very much. I really appreciate this. Yes. Alright. Take care, Mr. Johnson, you said? Alright. So just save. I'm gonna save your number. I save mine. No, man, I know my child, man. I'm a neighbor child. Man, I have no children, so just me alone I go come. Alright. How could it be but you, Lord? Who could it be?
Hello?
Yes, Mr. Johnson. Thank God, from morning me I call you, man.
Yeah, man, I not even realize you have your number. Yeah, call me.
I think I abandon me, no, sir, because I just reaching a sub now and I wait for you to come pick me up.
You know, I don't think I'm going to be able to make it.
What do you mean you're not going to be able to make it? So how am I going to reach?
Yeah, alright. Why it's hard to say, but somebody come for the job and I couldn't make the offer the pass. The person they just ready. You understand? sorry about that. Somebody come for the work and I just have to get it. I couldn't make that opportunity. That's all.
You found someone else? How is that possible when I am on my way? I told you I am on my way. So what am I supposed to do now, sir? Because I already leave my yard, my bag and everything, expecting to make have a place to stay. I don't have the money for it. Hello? Chantel, where you there?
Me there, me yard. How what happen?
Long story short, the man when number where you give me for the work, him just called me a while ago tell me say the work gone. I'm a reaching a sub, I don't have no bus fare, I don't have nothing.
You don't have nobody where you could have called to assist you?
Girl, I'm stranded in a sub bus park right now, I don't know nobody else who I can call. I don't know what I'm going to do about work. I don't know what I'm going to do because I can't go back. You know, so I can't go back to Portland because of the situation. What am I going to do?
No worry about work. Take one taxi and come on the grill. Me we come meet you.
I don't have no money for take no taxi. So you can't jump on one taxi and come for me?
That not gonna make no sense if me take one taxi from Negril, come a Sav and then come back a Negril. Just take one taxi and tell them say if you carry a Negril and left you at the cash pot shop right out on Amprel Road. Me will pay your fare.
Alright, I'm going to try so I can do. I don't know nobody over here. Alright, me call you back. You crazy?
I am so sorry. No, sir, I never see you. Sorry, man. Sorry. Honestly, I never see you. You alright?
No, yeah. I don't know. My loss. I'm supposed to meet my friend on the grill, but I don't know how I'm going to reach because I'm stranded right now.
I know niggle me there go still, but you see because me nearly bounce you. Let me care go niggle, man. A simple 1, 2, 3.
Sure.
Simple thing that, man.
I don't want to take it out of your way, you know.
No, man, that good.
Alright, as long as you're sure.
Alright. Carry him gonna chunk. It's always good to help somebody in need, you know what I say?
I not even did have the fear, so you really saved me a while ago.
Yeah, man, so I hope to see you again.
I highly doubt that, but anything is possible.
Alright. So take care, alright?
Alright. Richard.
Yeah, man. Oh, your bag. Alright.
Can put your bag over here, so.
The little place nice and neat though, Chantel.
Thanks. Boy, you can't go sit down on the bed, you know. Feel at home, man. They are a friend long time, you know, girl. Come on the bed, man. Come on the bed. They have to talk right here, so. But me can't take a blouse there, you know, so when I put them pop off.
I don't know why I get in so much clothes.
I take off a blouse that I button pop off.
Time hot man, take off so much clothes.
I don't have on no suntan, so I have to cover up my skin. You see me come meet you out the road and I say, it's or not. So what going now?
I know that you're dying for ear, you know. Boy, oh boy, sit down, I can tell you.
So,
I don't know what else to do anything. Right now, I want deep work sake of him. My life, everything just, my plans and future just smash up. When me and him just start deal and me make my movie and I think I did one better was me I go into. I think my life I will start get better. And for a while, it did alright, you know. Me I eat, me I live good, me I put on weight. But then
so what really the problem? What happened? Because you know if you fight with the read so far.
I break it down so you can understand when I go through with this man, because I know why you look for me different. I know why you think me wicked or evil and contentious. You understand me? It's been a while me I fight for come out of this with this man. Him take me turn me in a one piece of mascot. Everybody a laugh off of me in the community. Him lay down everywhere with everybody. Him not have no type. And if me talk to him about it, a straight licking on my face, bust up my mouth. Look at neighbor, my neighbor's son, you know. You see me I talk to him and reason with the little boy and come thump me in my face and beat me up wicked. Everybody a laugh off of me. I'm going to talk to him mother about it and she will tell me, say, oh, and me, I fast with her son and her son, now them sitting there. And before I make him put him hand for me again, I mark a X, so that was the last time. So I take his scissors and stab him, I don't know which part of stab lash.
Take time. You stab him?
Yeah, I stab him all the way that I could have get away.
Hold on, shh. He not dead.
If he dead, I'm in a better situation right now. The man determined to find me. I want him to find me and know how that come. I kill him, I will kill me this time. Somebody have left out of Portland.
Trouble that, you know. But it's a lucky thing. You have me for call as a friend. Because if you never left from there, so, and that boy see you is a dead meat.
Right now, we need to figure out what we're going to do. Come here, so. The man call me. Tell me to come. Promise me the work. And then will tell me to find somebody better. That real? And what kind of man that they set me up on? So you know him?
What do you mean if I know him? Keisha, you know me not style you. Me know the man. That's why I ask him for the job for you. The man tell me say I leave the space for you because he have the vacancy there. And I can't believe say you call the man and the man tell you say somebody else get the job. You see dirty Johnny. Johnny not easy, you know. I can't believe say you do that, you know. Feel free to use anything in my house. My house is your house. We are sister, we are friend like that. You understand?
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, man. So, anything you want, just use it.
I'm not gonna there long, so it's just probably just a week or two till I can get back on feet.
Whole heap of job there. You can walk and ask.
What if a place one?
Whole heap of job there anyway. Just walk and ask in any business place. You understand? Maybe you get one way not suitable for you, but you can go and do it until you get the one way you want. You understand?
So tomorrow, no, bright and early, I'm just going to town. But I'm something nice going to town and just try get one decent job. Well, not too decent, because I can. I like to make me, I beg me, I forgot beg a job right now, because I can't use my real name or nothing like that.
I understand, but don't worry yourself.
Well, my sister, I thank you for helping me out, because if I never you, I don't know what I do, but I'm probably dead right now.
Don't worry yourself. The way me and your friend me take you for sister, you understand? So even if you don't get no job for now, me still can support you, because what is mine is yours. Me can't have you like no stranger side of me, even though me and no blood sister, you know. But we are sister, call it so. You understand? Because the way we are friend. And guess what? You see, anyway in town you walk, don't tell nobody about me and your friend, you know. Although we are friend for years, you know. Tell them say me and you are sister, although we are friend. What is mine is yours. You understand? Don't worry yourself, man. No, bother cry. Bother cry. Here? Bother cry. Me have friend, sister for life. Me understand how you feel. So me can't tell you if you not cry. That boy is a wicked boy. Me not say you should have killed him, because I not stay so. Me glad he not dead. But the happiest thing, you run with gun so him not get to kill you. That I think. God will help you. God will help you. I'm there for you same way here. Don't give up. Don't give up here. Don't give up. You will make it in a life. You have to get a job. You will get a job. You understand? Don't worry yourself, man. You hungry? You did eat nothing before you come? You never eat anything? Alright, me understand. Me know they smile tears there, but me have somewhere you can go eat.
So we're going to take a
And the
shower.
bathroom, yeah man, the bathroom, the round there, so on the left. As you go straight down, you just take it left and just hold it fresh and fresh up yourself and change your clothes and everything. And I do that again and eat something. Me there feel same way, see? Alright, cool.
I search all over in the town. Can't find nowhere. I go in at the bar, restaurant, the motel, the hotel, all church region. Everywhere I go, I just can't find no work. I don't know what I go do.
Don't worry yourself, man. Me know say you walk up and down because you look tired. Don't worry yourself about that. Something else will come up. You understand? You better sit down and fret about it. Just go on inside and find something to eat and relax. My place is your place. You will get something, man. Don't worry yourself about it. A whole heap of people walk up and down how much time. And they don't get nothing. But they don't give up. You know, so me don't have your back already. Me and a friend, you know, like a big sister. Just go on in and relax. You understand?
Try again tomorrow.
Alright, no problem. You will get something, man. Don't stress out yourself over work. You soon get work. You will get work so till you can manage it. I'm tired so chill.
I just have to say I'm tired again from how much I clocked last night. I know I'm almost 7.
I know I'm tired, you know, but what can I do? I have to work. I have to work. And I have to work very hard to forget what me want. I can't sit down. Internet bills have to pay, light bill, water rate plus rent have to pay. You see like how you depend on phone, well relax, watch TV. You understand? Cock up your foot and lie down in a bed and them something that me can't afford to do that. Me not have them the luxury there. You have to work very hard for what I want. And remember, say 2 weeks. You tell me say you come to stay now. Now we gone to 3 weeks. You have to go do something. fi back up and help me pay some of the bills them. And I run out here, you know. Cause me know how it's sticky and it hard. But it's hard for me too. Remember, say me have 3 pitney. 3 of them are Portland. And me have to work hard to send up money go give them. You understand? Me have to play my part too with my youth them. Nobody feel no way, you know. No feel no way because me now go run out on the street.
Chantel, you know, someone go in a town and me go hunt for job like crazy. So everywhere I go, everyone go, come like some guy juke me and it's like, you know, see that the man, must stab the man. And you know how powerful film family is. Someone know who know me, who look for me, and I cannot go through the right channel them, and that's why this is so hard for me.
Guess what? Since you not get through a day, me work a night, you will get through a night. You understand me? So if you need to work with me can make you work a night. If you're interested.
Of course, I'm interested. How long you should not talk to me about this? I think I work, you never want me come work with you or work side of you or whatever, because you know some people don't want to live and work with the same people. Some think I want case like that. So kind of, which part you work?
I work on the bridge.
The bridge?
Yes, the bridge. You know bridge? Me work on the bridge, like back road at Portmore.
So what kind of requirements you need to work this?
Me well certified. Me have bachelor degree in it.
But me not have a bachelor degree. What kind of requirements me gonna need? I need something we can just start right away, man.
Girl, don't worry about that. Practice become perfect. Hold it. Take it.
A condom.
How?
Chantel, where you work?
So Awa, look like you hear something new. Let me tell you something. I am a certified whore. Oldest profession in the book. You understand? It gives me everything what you see in here, so. If me never do that kind of job there, me wouldn't have somewhere for when you call me. You ain't a problem, you remember. When you call me, I wouldn't have no way to make you come stay. Where you that stay?
Chantel, I am not judging you, you know. I'm just surprised, that's all. Honestly, I just never pick it for be somebody who is so brave to do that kind of work there. You not brave enough for that the work there.
Oh wait, hold on. Me have to do what me I do. You understand? Remember, say me have the picnic them. It is what it is. You understand? Me can't live scotch-free. No love, no day again. I have to do what I have to do to get what I want. You understand? But no worry about it. It's not hard, you know. Easy. I don't know hard work. You not go on the site go lift no block. I know not an easy thing. You understand me? So you can come with me tonight if you want. Remember, say you know, you and your man couldn't agree, you know, that's why what happened between you and him make you end up here say you know. You see what happened between you and him? Look into it. Me live by myself. But me can't keep me youth them with me, because if then they run me, who me have to go left them with now? Nobody. Because when me go left them alone in a house gone pan road, police come lock me up, because they see my next door neighbor, they're inquisitive. And when you left your pitney in a house gone a road, but me gone pan bridge, people will call police for me when we come back and see pitney them. So the best thing me have to do is send them a Portland. Make them stay, which part then they didn't see. If all me do when me work and collect my money, me send up some go give them and use the rest, pay my bills. It's you couldn't there, so. Mother out a door not have no way when you call me. Where you would have go, what happened to you?
I understand what you have to do to survive, your sis. Just the most we can do is come and see how it work. Because if none else not out there, then God please forgive me.
Girl, cheer up yourself. What you worry about? All you have to do is just protect yourself and you're good to go. Hold this. Me go hold a bed and then me come back and sleep. Just wake me up by 5 o'clock. We'll get ready by 7. Yeah?
Alright.
Okay. Turn on. Keisha, when me tell us where they go? Road. We are going to do road tonight. You can't wear them type of something and go do road, girl. But yeah, hold on, Keisha. Look how your body look good. Your body nice and sexy. You just want some nice hot clothes to put on when you are do road, girl. You have to hot out so the good man them with the good up money see you. You can't wear anything or go out there so because then we pass you. All in a sexy them pass you and go and look for the girl them in the hot clothes. You want me to learn you something?
No, I don't want to wear. Better I'm not going to wedding.
No. Me and go. No, do this still, you know. You know, look too bad because you're in a name brand Adidas, but guess what? It's too long. You could have just dry it up that way there. You see, you like make it look sharp.
That don't look good.
But you don't have to do it still. Just pull it side. Pull it.
Shut it.
Open this side, girl. You look more hot, so watch out. How you look better? Turn around. Watch it. Girl. You look better now. You look better now. But next time you put on print or something. You done dress already? You done? You ready? Alright then. You soon come. You just have to put on little fandangas and come.
Alright, you're like the taxi comes. How old a girl there?
I want my friend, she named Keisha. She come from Portland. You know her?
No, I don't know. I'm just concerned. I make she keep me out of business.
She not stay so I'm only making night tonight. Everybody have their client. I want to you.
Well, me, I'm making most money. Give me a little way there.
So you make none since you come out here? How long since you're out here?
We do out a good while now.
So nothing go on?
No.
Girl, I'm only night tonight.
Well,
I have to make some real money, stick money, mad money.
Well, everybody have to make their own money, so me come back out here, so. Oh, God, now I love
Nothing.
you. Sure.
I'm a friend with on the road long time, street girl just like me. You soon get used to it, man. I will if I them know which she always come out there early at night time.
But she was she look upon me and wonder if I do her something or she know me from somewhere.
No, she don't know you. She don't know you, man. She don't know you. She just want to know who that if you're my sister. Oh, you understand? So I just say my friend for a long time. I know nothing that normal. Yeah, just but you have to live up yourself, you know. You can't look so boring on the roadside, you know. Cheer up yourself, man. Keisha, you need to know the ropes. You understand? You have to make sure so you have your little pouch with you, you know? You know them clutch purse there? Here one of them clutch purse there with you with everything in there. You need your protection. I'll show you something. And about to come on the roadside for use them out, you know, because the girl them out there serious. Everybody out there so have their own thing. You can't done with one man. Like 15 minutes, no longer than that, and collect your money straight. You have to have your wipes. We not left with wipes. You need your wipes, and you have your little soap and your little something in your bag and one little rag. You understand? Yeah, you can want extra panty with you too. You understand what I mean? Yeah. And make sure say you collect. But let me tell you something. You see young boy them, you see when you give them it, then go on like them want bad you up and I want to give you no money. And that them want to stay longer than everybody else. You understand? So you hear me? Make sure so you have your condom. You see, make sure so you have your condom. Because the young boy, them are going like they want to live in there and don't want to come out like a crab. And me knowing that 15 minutes, no more than that. You see, if they want to go over 15 minutes or more money, don't leave your condom. You understand? Yeah. And you see the little young boy, them want to stay long and they don't want to pay money. Then we all want to do it and give money and take it back. Me know that you have to defend yourself, girl. A money making thing this. You know, come out of lele and give nothing for free. It's not for free.
So how much you charge them for do what them want to do?
It depends on who. You can't charge them 135. Yeah. But if you see at the top of class man, then we have their money. And more money we say. What go on, nothing I go and say? So, girl, don't watch this, don't watch this, don't watch this. I work, me come to work, and I say, I charge the boy 3-5 and the boy tell me about 4. And 5 grand me get from him.
Yeah.
Me not joke.
Too lie.
Me too lie. And you too fool. You can't. What?
And it looks so.
Me too lie, you too fool. You can't sit down out there so and they go on like I say I'm on tourist or you're a virgin girl. Hit up off your foot and talk with your mouth. If they don't ask if any business, you say to them any business and money come to the power.
Big fat Benz me drive out, yeah. Party up on me find out. About 1,000 bike I ride out all day. Yeah, party all night, yeah. People feeling alright. Girls them dancing till the morning light.
What one, Keisha?
Me there, you know, any business?
No, man. How is she?
I'm a friend you like her, she named Keisha.
Hey, man. Who you
Alright. Keisha, rope in. Friend same like you know. His name Joseph. I'm a long time client. He want to talk to you. Can go on over there so we talk to her now. Pick up yourself, but remember say ask him to give me your time, you know.
Yeah, man. How much you charge, my friend?
Only 35.
$35?
35,000. Only 35,000.
Chantel, make it a minute.
What?
Oh, what kind of 35,000 for what?
At 35,000 she charge you?
Yeah.
She new man, and new kids on the block, a rookie. I go talk to her. Keisha, what kind of big money them they are charging, man?
Did I tell me to charge them?
Me tell you, say if they look like they're up to date, you don't have money like that, you're charging big money. Them man, you don't carry them there. Heap of money there.
But I don't want to fear them with 3-4 man in a one night. No, Sam.
That be nice. You just come. Me understand, but you need to get used to it. You have to charge money to the man them when you have it like that, like 3-5 or 2,000 if it's possible. Me say the man them will look up to date, you charge them bigger money. We have deal with, look on that them man there. Don't look over there coming on and knows that we are talking about him. Them the kind of money, you just sorry for them and charge them one little bit of money.
And you call thing too.
Hold on there. Look here. You can't watch his thinkness. And the money we are watch. Where you say, hold up here and high five and do like I know him we attack. Just collect the money and run. When you're done, you go home. After you're done, you leave just bail. What you say about it? Yeah, anytime they don't smell good, why make you think make your wipes? Eh? Me no want them send for me because me have to deal with other man for the rest of the night. I want to you.
Alright.
So go on over there to him and take off some of my money. I want to you, girl. You come out here not even make $1 for a night. I want to you, man.
Alright.
Just act like you used to there for a long time as well.
where you find the girl from? You don't realize that she take away all our client them. One time I did you, and then me, you and then me, but I pay she them I go to Sumelia. Me more think like a dog, me can't get nothing to eat.
You believe that she come here though? Take away client them?
You know see that? Feel if your vagina no feel different.
She like however take it.
Alright.
Boy, you know say true. Basically my friend me in the pre-old still, you know. You know say me need to talk to her though.
But head around here, so
I should be asking you the same question. What are you doing here?
me know what a fruit say come for buy around here, so what you mean what am I doing here? You know what I'm doing here.
I never expected to see you here.
That's why you're here to judge me?
Come on, let's go on it, we talk.
Chantel. Super.
Alright.
Alright, let's start from the top, Keisha.
You don't have to pretend like you want to have a conversation with me. All my customers, they just come and get what they want and that's it. You don't have to pretend like you're interested in getting to know me. It's fine.
Alright. You know, I was just browsing. I mean, I have my little issue at home and I just say, let me just drive out. I wasn't planning on doing anything. I was just passing and I saw you and just happened to just pull over.
So you're not here to purchase anything?
No, as I said, I just pass me see you and me stop because from the last time I dropped you off, I haven't seen you again.
That's weird. Why you keep being so nice to me?
Well, I'm not tooting my own horn, but I'm genuinely a nice person, so you're just one of those lucky persons that is receiving my kindness. And I mean, I feel like it's I wouldn't say a coincidence, but you see, meeting us have nearly bunks you, and then we meet up tonight again. You know, so maybe a destiny.
I'm not the sweet, innocent type of girl that you think I am, you know. I've done things that I wish I could take back.
I'm not going to judge you, as I say. We all have done things that we're not proud of. You know, so someone I'm going to judge you. But, I mean, where you just end up in Sav, all the way from Portland.
You have a few minutes?
Yep, and we are talking about 1 minute in a rush.
You have an hour?
Yeah, 1 minute, almost a minute in a rush.
Easy yourself, man.
You feel easy yourself and leg off from my stick and tired of you.
You're going on my phone and see girl, my girl and them are you.
You're going like I don't know. And done. Who the me I go with? You can't stop me. Leg off from me.
Yo, no matter come on, I can style me, that me I can tell you. And take time to talk no matter place. You know, left until me tell us, left. You hear me say? You know, no style, you know, my where I go, who I go feed you? You can't come feel like you can't come disrespect me. You going on my phone, you never send me on my phone, my youth.
That was the day that we met in South. I was trying to get to my friend, which I still owe you for, by the way. You saved my life that day.
Wow, that's quite a story. But as I say, things do happen. And we just have to just make the right choice and live with the decisions that we make. But I think we take up as much of your time already. Let me pay you for your time.
No, don't even take out the money right now. Don't do that. This is not transactional. I really needed that. I really needed this to just talk and get things off of my mind. So thank you.
Alright, so hope to see you again, alright?
Yeah, man. Things going last night, man. I make no money.
What girl?
Supposed to make a whole heap of money last
You
night.
see it and you never want to go. You see it worthwhile.
I put that towards the rent. At
Alright.
least say, just take that for yourself.
Alright.
You know what I say? I small local place and I say my mother rent out. But I wonder if that's too far. You also come back and forth every day.
You lick the nail on the head. The time you go waste money, if you go all the way yourself and then come back on the grill, then go on the bridge, go back yourself, come back again on the grill. No girl, no money you want to save. You can't do that. That's a waste of money. Better just stay on the grill and get a room in on the grill yourself. So it's closer. Because the bridge just right up there, so we go at night time.
Even though things are going right now, I don't want to do this all of my life. I don't want to look over my shoulder all of my life. I want to get to a point where I'm comfortable and I settle down and I settle in. So I feel like, outside a nigga would have been best for me. That is it. Like tonight, I'm just going to go and make some money. I feel like tonight is a money night again. So I'm just going to go and try. I look at that work for me from with you. But I'm not going to do this so much longer. I'm going to go up on my own now, rent a place outside of Negril. I just know like that fast life. Yeah, some night it fast, some night it's slow, but I want to settle.
Me no plan to do this for the rest of my life either.
You never say you plan to do it for the rest
So me not go believe say you plan to do it for the rest of your life. But at the end of the day, and money we are trying to make because we need stuff. We need things. We have bills to pay and everything. You understand? Different from that. We have a lot of things to do. One more thing. Me see you go with one man in a one car. You know him where you know him from. Oh, you just see man and gone with them. So I know so this come down, them kind of work them way there. Man will go with you and do your things. And nobody not see you back again. You can't just do that.
When me go with man and where are that?
Me not say you go in a one car and go with man. Man come pick you up. Eh?
That is not where I think it was. You don't recognize the vehicle. I the same man who bring me from Stav. When you take me down to Stav and bring me come.
Me not want to look at people face enough.
He's a good man. And a front thing come by. I look him come look and see if I'm alright. Him like me.
A man you come to look, to fall in love with, or a money you come to make.
I just know say me like him. Can the man not even ask me for no sex? He no want no sex. He no put no argument towards me. He's such a cool gentleman. So you don't know where you talk about in terms of that.
You don't know say I saw someone come down. You don't have to ask for sex for his first time. And you look like you gone way deep down in a in-love thing. No, me not know that. And money me there so for make. You know what, I make you come on for that. Me go to Portland. And me have my picnic them to go look for. You know, me have to carry up money go give them sometime and send up it. You understand? So, you can stay and then sort out the place, clean up here and so. Me have to go check them.
Alright, like when you go to Portland, you give me this news. Drop it off for me. Then I say I go get one phone, one good phone and call her. Cause we change my number.
4,000 for you, man, right? That's what you give me?
Yeah.
Alright. Anyway, I have to leave now because I know the journey. You know, pretty.
So I'm alone tonight.
You alone can go up on the road, girl. You don't get used to it. And I say, I get client. You take a few me client, my friend, them client, everybody client. They come like you alone and making money. We not make none.
Don't say that, man. Don't say that.
You know, see, so you have money for count out.
No money at all in my class.
Me no make none, girl. Every man when me go to, I do the enjoy for. Me not understand. I know how this. You know what? Me no want to talk about it. Me I go look for my picnic then. Little more.
Alright.
Miss Gigi! Miss Gigi!
Who that call me?
Chantel. Good evening.
What go on, Chantel? A long time no see you.
Me there, man. You have no dog over there?
No, sir.
You sure you have no dog?
Even if me have no dog, you don't have no teeth or so gum.
Me and dog are no friend. I that more want hear. Do you in the ear?
No, he gone out the road. He soon come back.
Come on, talk to him and before me go.
Yes, he doing a come there.
Oh, Duane. Where that part? Are you me the come check in on me? I have something to talk to you about after the year. Oh yeah. Alright. Thanks, I hear Miss Gigi.
Alright.
I'm glad to see you too, you know.
I'm glad to see you to take care of yourself here.
Yeah man, but why deep and mud?
Alright. Yeah. Later.
Duane, I want a little information me come give you. Me hear say you get stabbed. And the other day me dey pass, I go about my business in a one taxi. And me see Keisha, your woman, we stab you. Pan the bridge and nigger they sell front.
Chantel, thank you for telling me.
You're welcome, man.
That girl they nearly kill me, you know. Kill me, stab me in my back. Almost kill me.
So what you not really have? Cause now me no get forget that the story there. Me don't go say you get stabbed.
A wicked girl that. Me and the girl don't have nothing. I tell him say me and him left and he stabbed me. Because I nasty, the girl is nasty, you see.
Me not tarry, you know. Me have to go left now. Me just sit come to make you know. But I don't pan the bridge and nigger she there. She there pan the bridge.
No worry yourself, man. Thank you for telling me, you see. Thank you for telling me. Can't believe say, yo, a wicked girl like that.
Alright.
You me I tell you?
Alright.
Nasty, wicked girl.
Alright.
Wicked, nasty girl.
My sister is missing, and my mother was supposed to come, but she couldn't make it because she didn't feel so good.
Okay, your sister missing?
Yes, sir.
How long now?
Maybe a week now.
A week?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, 1 week?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, so what's your sister's name?
Keisha Wilson.
Keisha Wilson?
Yes.
Okay. How old is she?
23 years old.
23?
Yes, sir.
So, let me ask you something. Where was the last known address? Where was she or stuff? You have any idea?
She went to Nigel to do some work.
Some work in Negril?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Alright, didn't have any associates, anybody, anything? I mean, any leads or anything like that who she was to be with, anything?
She was hiding.
Just calm down. Calm down. I know you're nervous and you're probably, I know how you feel, but I know this takes time and I understand, but just relax and talk to me, alright?
Yes, sir.
Alright, I know how you feel, because I've been through these cases a lot of times, alright? Let's go ahead for me.
She was trying to get away from her boyfriend because he was stalking her.
What's his name?
Dwayne.
Dwayne?
Yes.
You having the last name, just Dwayne, you know? Or
Just Dwayne.
Just Dwayne. Alright, okay, this is, yeah, just take. Alright, taking the particulars here, right? We have to go through it and so, but that has been a long time, so we're gonna have to deal with it as soon as possible. This is very serious, alright? 1 week?
Yes, sir.
Nothing? Alright, no problem. Alright, so we will get to the bottom of it, alright?
Yes, sir.
By the way, I didn't get your name. What is your name?
Marsha Wilson.
Marsha?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Alright, Marsha. Wilson?
Yes, sir.
I need a contact number for you.
213-4849.
Okay. Alright, just relax. I we'll get on it. This is very serious. This might sound morbid, but guess what? You see, next time you come into the station, I'm just gonna ask you to just properly attire. Alright?
Okay, sir.
Alright. Alright guys, I have a special case about you. Special case. I mean, this one is big, right? I put 2 of you guys on it because I know you are the best. The best in the business. Alright? Brown and Parks. I'm gonna assign it to a case where there's a missing girl, okay? It's a case that is baffling us, but I know you guys can do it. Alright? So, here what happened now. Parks, I'm gonna send you undercover. Alright? I'm gonna send you to an area, I'm gonna give you all the particulars. Right, alright. The main suspect of this case here is our boyfriend. Alright? It's not easy to catch. But with you, I know he's gonna fall for it. I know when you go undercover, I know how it is. Alright? Piece of cake for you. Alright, I tell you. What I'm gonna plan for you to do, I'm gonna have you around as a tourist. You're gonna go around there and pretend like, you're looking house and stuff. That is where he comes in. Get close, and then you are gonna come close to him.
Okay.
Right.
So, what are the particulars for the female?
All right, she's 22 years old, and she has been missing. All right, and as I said before, the main suspect is her boyfriend. All right, from all information that we gathered. That is where you guys gonna deal with it. All right.
All right. So let me see if I understand clearly what you're saying, So I am going to go in the community and find out if anybody have any information, and then Parks is going to pose as a tourist and get close to your boyfriend,
right,
and to see if she can get any information, right?
Right. From what I get about him, that part won't be easy when him see her. All right.
All right. Sound good.
Yes, man. All right. All you have to do is just put on that nice British accent you have.
Okay.
Piece of cake.
All right.
All right. You'll see. You're gonna get result, and I trust you will, because you're pretty good. All right. This one, you have to do for me. You have to solve this one. I'm getting too much pressure from the commission. A lot of pressure. I can't even sleep. You understand? Too much missing females and nothing is happening.
No worry yourself, Soap, man. We have the one covered, man. We have the one covered.
Okay, I trust you guys.
Wagwan.
You don't know now where I rent once a place, even if I want 1 bedroom.
Girl, me not tell no lie. Room hard to get. In a demo time, yeah? You're not gonna get no room.
Let me know, girl, because my friend coach me if I sleep. I'm tired. I want somewhere for myself now, so I can do my thing. Which part of man them there? I want some money in the night.
At early time of night now, girl, you have to wait till they come more. You know, get about half an hour, then you see at man them come out, we have the money.
I lie.
Of course.
Some US dollar in
Remember, send me out so every night. I know about it, I want to you.
Yeah, I'm the right, so.
I hope you charge them right money, because you see you look good.
I know, right?
Yeah, man, good night.
Good night.
Yeah, man, Detective Brown from Nigel Police Station, undercover. Yeah, man. Remember me, don't?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, you're
Chantel.
Chantel, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. It was a Keisha missing, right?
Yeah, me know.
Okay, we're glad you know. Alright, so we're doing an investigation based upon the fact that the information that we have gathered, it leads her disappearance directly to you, because she leave her home in Portland to come to stay with you in Negril, and you were the last person she was with.
Yes.
So, we want to find out where she is.
You sure she missing? Me know say she leave my yard and say she gone to Portland up her mother. So I seen she go up her mother, she missing.
Here's what. I'm going to leave my number with you. And please don't go anywhere. Make sure you stay close to your phone, because we'll be contacting you.
So you sure say that you come ask about?
Yeah, man. That
where she there?
Yeah, man. That me definitely come for ask.
Oh, me think you come to buy some front too.
No, man. This we are doing investigation about this specific case. So, alright, so take my number.
Where your number?
And let me put it in. Alright, Detective Brown, alright?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'll be looking out for you, alright?
Alright.
Chantel.
What on?
So me listen to a conversation I don't mean about. Me hear the man like my detective.
Yes.
I must say Keisha missing at all.
Him say my friend Keisha missing. But I don't know what I'm talking about. Keisha left from my yard and gone her mother yard.
So from when that last time I see Keisha and she worked the bridge and then someone don't know.
Me is not Keisha watchman, so me can't know where she is. She said she gone her mama yard or her mama yard she gone. I don't know a little dirty police boy come if I come question me for.
I don't like this at all.
And then come put his number in on my phone. I must say I'll somebody him a look. Who to tell me for
never want nothing.
Eh?
He never want nothing.
He don't want nothing. He look like he not come by no front, but mother sell him some.
So see, I work for an early grave. Try that again here.
Let me home.
Try that again here. never love you. Your parents they won't say. You hear me say?
This is not love. Look for me. Look for me. I'm hungry. I'm tired. I want bed. I stink. I'm dirty, please.
You think me go through all of this? I'm gonna love you?
Please. Mama bed. I put on clothes. Mama, I need for bed, please. I need some. I need fresh air.
Alright. Eat the pizza. I'm carry go bed. Yeah? But Keisha, I love you. All of this are because I love you. Oh.
What the rest of the pizza there?
You're lucky me even cannot come.
You buy one big size of pizza and you only bring one. Alright.
Hey girl, I want. You eat that? Eh? Eh? I kill you, want me kill you, Pastor? Eh? Try that again, here. Try that again. As a matter of fact, scream out. Scream. Nobody will hear you. You think them car run inside the middle of nowhere for nothing at all? Eh? Don't make me hurt. Just be good. And live. And live and be good here. Don't ramp with me. Go on, man.
I'm going to be able to change for my foot when you have
Hello. Hi, sir. I'm looking for a place to rent around here. Do you know anyone by any chance?
Like a house or?
Yeah, just a house.
One day they don't necessarily renting, but them somebody gone with it. But we probably can help you look.
Okay, yeah, that'd be nice. What's your name?
Oh, I'm D for Dwayne.
Cassidy.
Cassidy, nice to meet
you.
So you're actually looking a place
Yeah, I need to stay in Jamaica for some time.
for some time?
Yeah.
Jamaica would be nice to have you. We'll be happy to have you here.
Yeah, well, I'm happy to be here.
Land of food and water, you know. But I can actually help and see if I can find a house for you.
Do you know how much?
It's Jamaica. It's quite a bit expensive here.
Really?
Yeah.
I heard Jamaica is quite cheap.
I guess we just have to look.
Okay.
Right? So
Okay.
I can help you look.
All right.
But it's the first time in
Yeah, it's my
Jamaica.
first time in Jamaica.
So this I want apartment, but me not see no sign like no number, but me know so them are rent it. But I want one room and you get a bathroom and a kitchen.
Okay.
Over there, so them have another apartment over there where you can probably check it out. Them have like some 2 room over there and some 1 room same way, but I think you have better price over there.
Okay.
So we can check it out. What you say? On the funny?
Yeah, let's go.
Alright. So this is a more upscale apartment.
Right.
So it's like you get a 2 room, you get a 1 room, and each of them have their own bathroom and kitchen. So me know the guy who own it, but me not have his number for me now, but me can get it for you.
Oh, it's very kind of you actually, because you don't know me like that. Tell you what, take my number, and when you're ready, I want to thank you because you actually helped me so much. Do you have a girlfriend?
I'm single like a Pringle, ready to mingle, you know. But I wouldn't mind going out with you for real. I wouldn't mind. But let me just follow you out.
Okay.
On the main and make sure you're safe. And
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You have my number. You can call me. You can call me anytime.
Hello, is anybody home? Hello?
Hello? Yes, sir?
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, man, I am Detective Brown.
Detective who?
Detective Brown from the Negril police station. I am here to do a little bit of investigation in regards to the disappearance of Keisha Wilson.
Keisha missing?
Yeah, she's missing. Is your son here?
No, my son is not here.
When your son get back, tell him to visit us at the station because we'd love to have a word with him.
So, Mr. Brown, what my son have to do with Keisha missing, sir?
I'm not going to say your son has anything to do with Keisha's disappearance, but at least we'd love to talk to him to find out if at least he has seen her.
Well, Mr. Brown, me tell you the truth, sir. You said the last time I see Keisha, and when Keisha come to me, you know, sir, come complain about my son. And I right in my hand, Keisha stab you, you never know about that?
Well, to be honest, that's the first news to me because you nor your son never come by the station and report it, so we don't have any information in regards to that. But a case like this now, it make me start think if it's some form of retaliation from your son. But anyway, I'm not going to jump to any speculation. Just tell him to come by the station.
I will tell him when time he come back. I will tell him.
I will tell him, sir. Have a good day here, sir.
Alright then, yeah man.
Alright, sir.
Mommy! Mother!
You used to miss her well enough in my room. You come about your mother. Mummy, mother. Mr. Brown, one detective from the grill, just come here. I inquire about you and Keisha disappearance. You have anything to do with it?
So mommy, what do you mean police come and look for me?
You know hear me say? You know understand what I just said a while ago? They might investigate the disappearance of Keisha. Make sure you don't have anything to do with Keisha disappearance. You hear me, I want you? Because the last time when you left here, you tell me how much you meditate. And you meditate because you not take a stabbing like that.
So mommy, me, you think say me would do Keisha something? Me mommy, you're one good son, mommy, you feel like somebody do Keisha something? Eh?
You shake me. And one thing me have to tell you, say, if you have anything to do with Keisha disappearance, hey, me done with you. You hear me I tell you, say?
Mommy, me another them type of man that do Keisha nothing. Me or your son, me would never do Keisha nothing at all. Me love Keisha, even though she stabbed me on my back. Me love her. Me don't do nothing for hurt her. Or if she say, you see me? Me another them type of man, mommy. So me know why you really are pre me like that.
Well, the police then want you to come down and the Grill police station. One detective down then, what's his name? Detective Brown. He say you must come down a station. So go on down there and clear your name. But you see, if you have nothing to do with Keisha, no send call me. No send call me. Hey, me no one of them parents who go walk with flat card and go on like me not have no sense, you know.
Yes, Mr. Dwayne. You know what we call it down here, right?
No, sir.
Take off your hat. Take off your hat, boss. Alright. Reason why we call it down here is you know that your girlfriend is missing, right?
My girlfriend, me and the girl no there. Me and her left long time.
Based on the information that we have, you are one of the last known person that she was with.
From she left me yard, me not see her back in. From she left me yard and gone about in business, me not see her back, so I don't know nothing, me don't know about her and her missing. She probably have there some man yard and cool out.
Alright, so you and she never have no form of altercation?
Me and she good, she left peaceful and said she go down her granny. Peaceful. She left and said she go down her granny and from she go down and me not see her back.
All you do make sure you left your number and we're gonna take your fingerprint to ensure say we can find you when we need you.
But all you take them and say, I'm telling you, I don't know about her, I'm not involved in nothing.
We're not saying that you're involved, you know. We're just making sure we take all necessary precaution. Alright?
But me don't have nothing to do with this, so me I gotta do that.
Nah man, just stay close. We finish the day now man, so just make sure you stay close, alright sir?
I'm a busy man, you know, sir.
Alright, you're good. Come that way, you're good.
Hello?
Chantel!
What going? Yeah, me know say you, me there Red Ground.
Alright, me dey down in ALTON, man.
A lie. Me easy fi find, man. Just go to the bike stand and tell the bike man say fi drop your Chantel yard. One red, gold and green gate, you can't last. They know where me live, man.
Alright, don't move. Me a forward. Ah. Chantel.
I see you reach past my youth.
You know I come on a urgency, you know.
I want me, you know.
Here I'm going to link you about. I don't know what station me I come from, you know. Them a try interrogate me and ask me about Keisha, which part Keisha they and something. But tell me say I don't know about Keisha, which me actually don't know where Keisha there. You see me?
Yeah.
But me come to talk to you. Because you would tell me say, oh, Keisha they a niggle way. You see me? I mean, I want if they come to ask you, if you tell them say, you did tell me say they she don't a niggle, you know.
Do
If they say if no, listen to me now.
Hold on,
Listen to me.
I don't like them kind of talking the way I make. What you talk about? Where you want to say? Where you try to
Me
say?
say, if nothing happen, or if me I go down, you go down too. Just not tell them say, you did tell me say, she
I
there
be
nigga.
serious this me. Me look like a snitch to you. I want to you, my youth.
Me never say a snitch nor a snake, you know.
So what you talk about?
Just I tell you.
My youth, come to me straight with your argument. Them, how you feel like?
Chantel.
Where Keisha there?
Me don't know where Keisha there. But me just come to tell you, say, yo, Ray, don't call me name to the police. That's how I'm come to tell you.
Oh, you take me for inform or what? You sound like you're involved in a Keisha missing thing. So I want to you. Me no know where Keisha there and you say you don't know where Keisha there. When you come to me, and then something, if I know I send you the wrong gate, what kind of thing this you come to me with my youth?
So you behave.
So you behave. You can't come to me and they can't style me then kind of way there. If your woman missing, you talk about him missing thing in a one different way. You know, come go on like you think, say me I go to no police and tell them say you involved in a whatever.
Me just tell yourself to keep your mouth out of me business.
Me no in your business that you carry come to me and me yard.
Yeah, look for me. You come to your senses then now? You come to your senses then now?
About what?
I mean about what? You think say if me never love you, me like your food can't give. Eh? You need to stop what you do. And let me take you out of here.
When?
It's not when, but it's when you come to your senses and stop the foolishness. Stop playing with me. Keisha, I love you.
I love you too.
Want you to eat, and then bed, and then comes make you have sex. Because a long time me not have no sex.
I'm gonna be coming up.
Alright, finish eat. Finish it. Finish it, baby. Finish it. You don't miss this? Hmm? Yeah, I can go here now. So you see me like in a 2 days time.
2 days?
2 days.
2 days too long.
I see you finally coming to your senses. What you try to do? What style you want to style me? You see this time when me lock you up, I lock you up for good. Yeah? For good. So nobody feel like say you can't do that, play that with me again. Here?
too much about me, so do you want to tell me a bit about yourself? I know you said you don't have a girlfriend, but just tell me about your previous relationship, I guess.
My last relationship, what I did have, you know, dog bite her up and she ended up crippled, so I end up, you see me?
A dog?
Yeah, dogs.
Really?
Some vicious dogs bite her up. So.
To death?
Well, she never dead, but she crippled, so.
So you really left her just because she crippled?
I mean, not because she crippled, but we come to a mutual understanding because we couldn't have sex, so therefore she tell me, say.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, she crippled, we can't do nothing. She can't do nothing what she used to do, and it just couldn't work out, so.
Okay.
Yeah, that was just that.
Listen, if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be able to find a house, so thank you for that.
I mean, that glow that you face at the day when I saw you, I couldn't resist but to give you my service. And I want to give you the full service too, but we
Jovi,
Yeah,
how are going for your night?
night's so bad.
Anyway, cut long story short, before we go any further about the night, you see the room when me in and now, me I go move so you can get that room there.
Oh, but where you stay right now?
Yes, the place where me I stay now, me I go move.
So where
me
you
get,
move?
me get somewhere else.
Thank God, come tired to sleep on the couch, you know? I'm tired.
Me understand.
Back at hurt me and all these things.
But don't worry yourself, but you me rate you, me tell you, me don't want nobody else get it because you did ask me.
So we just come link your man, but we just work the road right now.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Yes, good evening, young miss.
Good evening.
Yeah, man, the name is Detective Brown. Yeah, man, I'm looking for one Chantel. Is she here?
No, Chantal isn't here.
You know where I can find her?
No.
All right. If you get in contact with her, I'm going to leave my number with you. You can call me and just tell her Detective Brown is looking for him, all right? You can take the number. The number is 274 5040. All right?
So what should I tell her it's about?
Just tell him it's Detective Brown from the Nigel police station. I just want to have a word with her, all right?
Alright then.
All right, then. Thank you very much for your time.
Yeah, man, no problem.
Yes, Soup. Afternoon. Brown here. Yeah, man, I'm calling to just to give you some update in regards to the missing female. Based upon the information that we have gathered so far from the friend and the boyfriend, the both of them sound like them know what going on. It's just that they're not talking. The friend sound like she's all over the place. The boyfriend sound a sort of way. So I am definitely on the case. I think we're getting closer to uncovering the truth. But presently I'm at the undisclosed location. I'm going to call Parks and see if I can update her with what I know and find out what she know and see if we can bring this case to a close. Alright then, Soup. If in case of anything, I'll definitely call you and keep you posted. Well, this case is kind of getting to me, I don't know, because I feel like we're getting close, but based upon what the friend is saying, she sounds like she knows something. And also based on what the boyfriend is saying, two of them sound like they're in on it. So we feel like we're getting close. So what have you discovered so far?
Right. So I asked him about his girlfriend, and he said that she a crippled now, and that she was in a car accident, and that he just left her because they couldn't have sex. What kind of foolishness that?
Yeah, because that's further from the truth.
That don't make any sense. So I think he's hiding something for sure, and I think he knows more than he's telling us.
All right, so I wanted to follow him. Take some pictures, get some video, and see if we can bring this thing to a close. Because the country and the Soup is counting on us. All right? All right? All right, then. Yeah, man. So make sure you be safe, all right?
All right. Brown, I'm following suspect into the bush. He's there by the old house. So if anything suspicious happens, I'm going to call you. So make sure you keep your phone by you, alright?
No bother with that, man. No bother feel like they can get away. I think I like it last time this. I think I like it last time I tried to get away. This time I'm gonna be rougher yet. Here? Think I like it last time. This time I'm gonna be rougher yet. Oh. But I feel like I can't come here. Come on, sit down. Let me tell you this.
Detective Brown, this is Surgeon Parks. I just located the suspect and it looked like he has a girl tied up. Detective, if you come right now, I don't know if he's going to kill her or damage her in any way. So I'm going to send you WhatsApp location now so you can come meet me, okay? If you hurry up and come, alright? Okay. Where?
Keisha, look, I look a joke. Just tell him, say, look a joke, Keisha. Hey, boy. Tap your eyes, man. Keisha, calm down. Calm down, Keisha. Calm down. Calm down. You're alright now, man. Calm down. Calm down, man. Hey, boy. Come. Your turn now. Come. Hey, boy, turn it back. Put your hand behind your back. Keisha. Man chance like your brighter son. Please, officer, please. Don't do me never do. I don't know if the audio quality sound any better, but we just received a brand new mic. Hopefully the audio sound a little bit better because that's one of our main focus in trying to get this thing correct. All right, as it pertains to the audio. Yes, so we are at the end of another movie, and this is part 2 of Live to Fight Another Day. Thank you guys for watching. It is a pleasure to create this part 2 because I know we have done a lot of movies that we have not concluded. So I'm going to try my best to ensure that this movie will go to a part 2 and we don't wait forever to do it, but we do it. So and those are some of the things that we want to do when movies are not concluded. We try to see if we can give them a part 2 to just ease your mind and make them happy, because what we're doing is not just for ourselves, it's for you, the subscribers. So we are doing it for UNO. So thank you very much. One of the short-term goal, or I don't know if it's long-term or short-term, but it's a goal nonetheless. I have been working towards is ensuring that I situate and position myself in the direction of going to a network in terms of Netflix or any one of those big networks abroad. And I think we are ready. It's just that there are a few things that we need to put in place, like we need to get that perfect camera. Last year I thought getting the Blackmagic was the deal in terms of making sure we get something we can film, go to Netflix. But it can go to Netflix, but we're trying to get a camera that we can do Netflix originals. Because that's the thing, you always can get a camera that can film, go to Netflix, but ensure that we can get Netflix originals. So I am in the search of trying to get a Sony FX3. The finance not did it, but we're definitely trying our best to get it. I don't know if there are persons out there that can afford it. You know, it costs $5,000 for one, and we are trying to see if we can get 3, because we're trying to ensure so we can shoot from different angles at the same time. So that's one of the main focus. So if there are persons out there that want to help, it does not necessarily mean that you have to find $3,000. It can be $5, it can be $100, it can be whatever you can afford, because we're trying to get the perfect setup to see if we can start doing some professional work. We go outside of YouTube, camera, lighting setup, microphone, you know, the whole deal. We're working towards it, and that's our short-term goal. Whenever that happens, then it's another step in the right direction in terms of making sure that we can create an atmosphere where people can be gainfully employed in Jamaica, because you realize a lot of persons are on left Jamaica, and it's because of the money. And for me as a Jamaican, I don't want to leave Jamaica. I love Jamaica and I want to see better for Jamaica. And I feel like creating content, making movies for bigger platforms can be the deal. It can be the deal breaker for me. It can be the deal breaker for a lot more Jamaicans who want to show their skill and earn their craft. So that's about it. Big up to everybody that continue to support what we do. Big up to Fire. Big up to Candy. Big up to Popeye. Big up to ALTON. Big up to every single person who take part in where do. If me not call a name, it's not that make me I try to forget nobody, but thank you to everybody who always ensure say yo, we make it thing them possible. And hopefully we can see some of the old actors them back in the place soon. You know what I mean? So September is a new cycle of getting things out. So big up on yourself, continue to support what we do as we continue to do what we do and make it possible for you guys. Thanks much. Love you.